Welcome to Hollywood Secrets Information. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey back to one of television's most beloved miniseries, The Thorn Birds. More than 4 decades later, fans still remember its unforgettable romance, powerful performances, and legendary cast. But what happened to these stars after the cameras stopped rolling? Who found lasting success? Who faced personal struggles? And which beloved cast members have sadly passed away? Stay with us as we reveal where the cast of the Thorn Birds are now in 2026, along with the touching and sometimes tragic stories behind their lives. Let's begin. Richard Kiley. Richard Kiley played Paddy Cleary, the hardworking father of the Cleary family. A celebrated actor of stage and screen, Kiley earned acclaim for his commanding voice and distinguished performances. Following the Thorn Birds, he continued appearing in television productions and remained highly respected within the acting community. In his later years, he battled bone marrow disease that affected his health. Richard Kiley passed away in 1999 at the age of 76. His remarkable body of work and dedication to the craft of acting secured his place among the great performers of his generation. Barbara Stanwyck. Barbara Stanwyck delivered a memorable performance as the wealthy and formidable Mary Carson. Already a Hollywood icon long before the miniseries, she brought authority and charisma to every scene. Stanwyck's career spanned more than 50 years and included countless film and television classics. Despite facing health problems later in life, she remained admired throughout the entertainment industry. She passed away in 1990 at the age of 82 due to congestive heart failure and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Her legacy as one of Hollywood's greatest actresses remains unmatched and continues to inspire performers today. John Friedrich. John Friedrich portrayed Bob Cleary and became known for his natural screen presence. During the 1980s, he appeared in several television productions and films, earning recognition as a promising young actor. However, personal struggles increasingly affected his life and career. Friedrich battled emotional difficulties and challenges away from the spotlight. Tragically, he died by suicide in 1991 at only 38 years old. His death shocked colleagues and fans who remembered his talent and potential. Today, he is remembered both for his contribution to the Thorn Birds and as a reminder of the importance of mental health awareness. Brett Cullen. Brett Cullen appeared as Luke O'Neill, Maggie's husband whose marriage ultimately proved disappointing and complicated. Following the miniseries, Cullen built a successful career in television and film, appearing in numerous popular productions. Known for his versatility, he worked steadily for decades and became a familiar face to audiences worldwide. In 2026, he remains active in the entertainment industry and continues to receive praise for his professionalism and longevity. His role in the Thorn Birds remains one of the early milestones that helped launch his long and successful acting career. Dwyer Brown. Dwyer Brown portrayed Stuart Cleary and later became known for memorable appearances in film and television. Audiences especially remember him for his touching role in Field of Dreams. Brown successfully balanced acting with writing and public speaking throughout his career. He has often reflected on the impact of storytelling and family values in his work. In 2026, he remains respected by fans and colleagues alike. His contribution to the Thorn Birds helped establish him as a dependable performer whose career has endured for decades in an ever-changing industry. Richard Chamberlain. Richard Chamberlain captivated audiences as Father Ralph de Burcassert, the ambitious priest torn between love and faith. Following the Thorn Birds, he continued starring in television movies, stage productions, and international projects. Chamberlain remained a respected performer for decades and became an icon of television drama. In his later years, he enjoyed a quieter life while occasionally appearing in interviews and special events. His remarkable career spanned over 60 years, making him one of television's most enduring stars. Fans continue to celebrate his unforgettable portrayal of Father Ralph and his lasting contribution to entertainment history. Rachel Ward. Rachel Ward played Maggie Cleary, the passionate young woman whose love story captivated millions of viewers worldwide. Following the miniseries, she built a successful acting career before transitioning into directing and filmmaking. Ward married fellow cast member Bryan Brown, and their marriage became one of Hollywood's longest-lasting relationships. Over the years, she earned praise for her work behind the camera while supporting various charitable causes. In 2026, Ward remains active in creative projects and is remembered as the heart of the Thorn Birds, whose performance continues to inspire new generations of viewers. Sydney Penny. Sydney Penny portrayed young Maggie Cleary and instantly became one of television's most recognizable child stars. Her moving performance opened the door to a successful acting career that included soap operas, television dramas, and feature films. Unlike many child actors, Penny successfully transitioned into adult roles and maintained a steady presence in the entertainment industry. She has spoken positively about her experiences on the series and remains appreciated by fans who grew up watching her. Today, she continues to be celebrated as the actress who brought young Maggie's innocence and determination to life. Bryan Brown. Bryan Brown portrayed Luke O'Neill and became one of Australia's most successful international actors. Following the Thorn Birds, his career flourished in film and television across multiple countries. He also gained attention for his marriage to Rachel Ward, whom he met during the production. Brown continued working steadily while supporting Australian cinema and emerging talent. In 2026, he remains active and highly respected in the entertainment industry. His role in the miniseries introduced him to a global audience and helped establish him as a major star beyond his home country. Mare Winningham. Mare Winningham portrayed Justine O'Neill and delivered a powerful performance that showcased her extraordinary talent. Over the following decades, she earned acclaim for acting, music, and stage work, receiving numerous award nominations. Known for choosing meaningful projects, Winningham built a reputation as one of Hollywood's most respected character actresses. She has remained active in film, television, and theater while continuing to challenge herself creatively. In 2026, her career stands as a testament to dedication and artistic integrity, with the Thorn Birds remaining one of her most beloved early achievements. Philip Anglim. Philip Anglim portrayed the adult Dane O'Neill and brought depth to one of the story's most tragic characters. A talented stage performer, Anglim was widely respected for his theatrical work as well as his television appearances. After achieving success on screen, he increasingly focused on theater and artistic pursuits. His thoughtful approach to acting earned admiration from colleagues and audiences alike. In 2026, he remains remembered for the emotional sensitivity he brought to Dane's story and for his commitment to quality performances throughout his distinguished career. Christopher Plummer. Christopher Plummer portrayed Archbishop Vittorio Contini Vercese with elegance and authority. Already an internationally acclaimed actor, he continued delivering extraordinary performances for decades after the miniseries. His later career included award-winning film roles and critical acclaim that introduced him to new generations of fans. Plummer remained active well into his 80s before passing away in 2021 at the age of 91 after complications resulting from a fall. His death marked the end of one of the most distinguished careers in entertainment history, leaving behind an extraordinary artistic legacy. Gene Simmons. Legendary actress Simmons portrayed Fiona Cleary with grace and emotional depth. Long before the Thorn Birds, she had already established herself as one of Hollywood's most respected performers. Her career included acclaimed films, television appearances, and stage work spanning several decades. In later life, Simmons faced health challenges but remained admired for her professionalism and talent. She sadly passed away in 2010 at the age of 80 from complications related to lung cancer. Her death marked the loss of a true Hollywood legend whose memorable performances continue to be cherished worldwide. Ken Howard. Ken Howard played Rainer Hardheim and brought sophistication to the role. Throughout his career, Howard enjoyed success in television, film, and theater while also serving as an advocate for actors' rights. He became president of the Screen Actors Guild and worked tirelessly on behalf of performers. Despite facing health issues later in life, he remained active and respected. Howard passed away in 2016 at the age of 71. His contributions extended far beyond acting, making him a significant figure both on screen and within the entertainment community. And there you have it, the unforgettable cast of the Thorn Birds, then and now in 2026. Some stars went on to enjoy long and successful careers, while others faced heartbreaking struggles and tragic endings. Yet, each actor helped create a television masterpiece that continues to captivate audiences around the world more than 40 years later. Which cast member surprised you the most, and whose story touched you the deepest? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Hollywood Secrets Information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating Hollywood stories. See you in the next video.